Today we're going to talk about my wife's sunglass addiction. Let's go. Here's how she used to store her sunglasses. Every shape and size, every kind of case you can imagine. She had no idea how many or what she had. Let's fix that. First thing, we're going to jump into Shaper 3D. It's a great application on the iPad to make anything you can imagine. So I always like to prototype something small before I do something big and complex to not waste a 3D print. And here's an example of how I print one part of it to make sure that it's going to fit right, and the earpiece of the sunglasses actually go through it smoothly, things like that. So you'd hate to print a big piece and waste all that time in plastic when you can do one little test and get it right the first time. And after you know that the small one's right, then it's fairly easy to make additional copies and make it the size that you need. In this case, she wanted them 5 across with multiple rows of these. So very simple design. You don't have to be a CAD genius to do this, but I just want to give you the visual of how I do things. And here's the first 5 that we're going to put up on the wall. Again, kept it very simple, just some double-sided tape on the back side to stick to the wall. No reason to overthink it. And here it is with 7 of them installed, and I had to print an extra 2 because she actually had more sunglasses and reading glasses than I thought. But yeah, don't look at the shoes over to the right. That's probably going to be the next project. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.